safe and comfortable workplace increases productivity. Serving with expertise and experience. Your protection, our aim. ABG Interlinks Ltd is one of the leading companies in Bangladesh. For firefighting, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. With its expertise, sincerity, and dedication in serving in the respective fields and achieving amazing results since the company was established in 2009. ABG Interlinks Ltd is a forerunner in the commitment of offering specialized services on firefighting, fire equipment testing and commissioning, post-commissioning support in compliance with national or international standards, and practices in EPC model of development economy. In recognition of its quality products, services, and effective implementing capability of Total Quality Management System, the company has been honored with the award of ISO 9001:2015 certification. The strength of ABG Interlinks Ltd is their experienced technical team. They have well-organized project execution and design team. Some of them are NFPA certified, and others have specialized training of these respective subjects.
On-time delivery and quick response against customers' emergency calls have made ABG Interlinks Ltd a very good brand in the market.
ABG Interlinks products and services are the result of highly developed systems and present the most economical solution plans, compact and tailor-made design to suit customers' needs. In the field of firefighting systems, ABG Interlinks have completed some government mega projects like Rampal 1320 MW Thermal Power Plant, Khulna, for fire protection, detection and suppression system, NBR Customs House at Dhaka International Airport, Karmasangsthan Bank for Novik Gas Suppression System, Dhaka, TSP Complex Limited, Chattogram, DAP Fertilizer Company, Chattogram. In the RMG and industrial sectors, ABG Interlinks completed many projects for firefighting systems which have already got final approval and acceptance from the respective buyers and auditors like Accroid, Allianz and RSC, etc. Some featured projects are Saipal Garments Limited, GMS Textiles Limited, Siham Knit Composite Limited, Azim Group, Bangladesh Paul Hung Industrial Limited, Young One Limited, Berger Paints Bangladesh Limited. ABG Interlinks have also completed a good number of firefighting projects in commercial and residential buildings such as BRB Hospitals Limited, Beacon Business Center, Ukiya Specialized Hospital, Cox's Bazar, UNHCR Office Compound, Cox's Bazar, Bay Developments Limited. ABG Interlinks Limited's management and employees have a clear mission to ensure superiority and distinction in products and services and thus guarantee customer satisfaction.
We have known ABG for 10 years now, and ABG has actually provided our firefighting system, and they have been working diligently with us for many years. They have given us tremendous support and have helped us to achieve 100% in compliance requirements for Alliance and Accord. And they have given tremendous effort in establishing the compliance systems in our factory. And they have been a very good partner with us for the last 10 years.
ABG Interlinks Ltd is working with us in one power plant for firefighting systems. That their work is very national standard. And their technical team they always make the work environment safe. We are very happy to work with them, and we wish them all success for the future.
আমরা ABG ইন্টারলিংকের সাথে 2020 সাল থেকে কাজ করছি। তারা আমাদের ফ্যাক্টরিতে ফায়ার ডিটেকশন অ্যান্ড অ্যালার্ম সিস্টেম স্থাপন করেছে। তাদের কাজের কোয়ালিটিতে আমরা খুবই সন্তুষ্ট। তাদের ইঞ্জিনিয়ার টিম যারা আছে এখানে কাজ করছে তারা খুবই দক্ষ ও দায়িত্বশীল। আমরা এই প্রতিষ্ঠানে ABG ইন্টারলিংকের সাথে দীর্ঘদিন কাজ করতে আগ্রহী। আমরা তাদের উত্তরোত্তর সাফল্য কামনা করছি।
Vision of ABG Interlinks is to serve the demand of the customers with high quality products and services with ethical responsibility and commitment to professionalism whilst delivering value, sustainability and environmental impact. They ensure health safety against all risks of a project from the initial stage. They maintain zero incident commitment. ABG provides the solutions you need to protect your buildings and business, from the smallest shop to the largest retail center and all types of factories. The experience and specialized knowledge we have gained is now ready to work for you.
We think serving in the firefighting system to create safe work environment is also a social commitment for us, and this is what at ABG Interlinks we are doing in Bangladesh.